Got my new stickers. Time to put it on buggy. Ta-da! I'm official now. Hey guys, welcome back to another day and it's a Bug's Life. Today we are Raptor lining. We know we like the look. We've done the plasti dip. We know that we like the look. And we've watched enough YouTube channels that we know how to do it. So we're going to start off by taping and then sanding her down, and we're going to take you with us step by step. So let's get started.
Okay, Bug's getting ready to pressure off the rest of our, this is Duplicolor in the back. So get her, Buggy. The Bug is master blasting. Okay, here we got the Bug taping. And we're taping up on the doors right here, because it's right on that body line, so when we sand, we don't sand onto the paint that we're not covering with the Raptor liner. And then Buggy's working on the inside, because when we spray, it's going to get through that area between the door and the door jamb, and we don't want just overspray going wild in there, right, Bug? There we go. So that's where she's going to be Raptor lined, guys. All right, so next, when we started sanding a little bit, and we are using 120 grit.
So we're finishing sanding. We used a little bit of the sanding block and we used a little bit of this to kind of get in the tight spaces. And now we're gonna do some rubbing alcohol. Guess a good clean area. And then it's Raptor lining time.
All right, so Bug is now wiping down the scuffed up areas with alcohol, isotopic alcohol. And then after that, we're gonna mask the rest of the Jeep, and then we are going to spray. Super excited, a little nervous.
Now we have the coolest painter's tape, because all we're doing is cutting off a section this long.
Great, this is a nice edge.
And it unfolds.
This is so cool. Where's our straight edge?
Into all of this. And it sticks like that.
That is so nice.
That's so cool.
There you go, honey. That is so awesome.
That is so awesome. All right, Boo, what you doing?
I am putting a Raptor lining gun together. Putting a little plumber's tape on there.
Boo was insistent that we get this oil and water separator.
And Buggy's like, no, we're not spending money on something else. It's like, no, we found it. Right?
So, of course.
You hold that gun.
Oh. Well, all right then. Boo's got this. Look at Boo go.
I think it'll work. Now, we have to just spin our gun onto this.
Okay.
I think we're good.
All right.
So this is our hardener. Once we put this in, it's go time.
Go time.
Okay.
This.
All right. So guys, we're adding the.
It looks like
Watch out so this doesn't fly in your face.
gooey and jelly.
Oh yeah, it looks hardcore in there. Okay.
It's like wigglicious. All right.
Okay, so I need to put your finger like on the outside of that line.
Okay.
Right there. That look right to the line? Like look in there? Doesn't that look about right? Put your finger next to it.
Yeah, maybe a little more.
Where's the flashlight so I can look in there and see?
Right here. The camera.
Bring that over here real quick, would you?
Now we mix.
Mixed right in for like
Simple as fill, shake, and shoot.
show them our gun set up, how we got it all set up. We got the oil water separator, the regulator.
We got it at 40 PSI. Yeah, we're gonna use a piece of cardboard Let me actually break that cardboard down.
Okay, hon. Okay, hold the gun, Bug. And here we go.
Woo-hoo!
She's in. Well, that's it, guys. Look at that. Holy crap. Okay.
Man, go big or go home.
Okay, here's a Bug testing our spray pattern and our texture content. There you go. No, that's good. Keep moving it. Okay.
I like that.
All right, let's do it.
All right, let's do it.
And you got a nice chunk of cardboard to use as a... Okay, here we go. We are Raptor lining.
Since we have holes in the back quarter panel, we put tape over the holes. Boo remembered in time.
Barely.
Barely in time, but he did remember.
Barely.
We talked about the tape. I had the tape. I did not apply the tape. That was the most crucial step. If you think about
It'll
it.
work. Okay.
All right.
Okay, grab your cardboard.
Okay.
All right, you ready?
Ready. Nice.
Okay.
Nice.
Okay. Yeah.
I should get underneath there.
You can do the other side. Okay.
I think that looks great.
That looks f***ing awesome. You did. No, you did good.
You're like backed up. I was like, no.
Yeah, you kept going just right into it.
I don't know what's wrong with me.
No, honey, look what you did. Look at that. It looks freaking awesome.
I get to look at it every day.
It's on your side.
It is on my side.
Okay.
No stopping me once I got started.
Oh, you did good.
Thanks, babe.
You did good.
Okay, it's been about an hour.
Okay, so we're gonna clean our tip out a little bit. And then we kept, every like 10 or 15 minutes or so, we came out and shot the gun. So it wouldn't get hardened up in the tubes and everything, so we kept things going.
So guys, we liked it so much, we're gonna do the back bumper.
So the hatchway. So I think we can just look at, I'm just relocating this.
Okay.
So it's off of the, still covering the light, but off of the hatch.
We gotta wrap the lights.
Shove the, I think we can get it with this cardboard, honestly. It's so controllable. It really is. I mean, if you want to try and cover that one, baby, get it.
I mean, while since it's here, voila. Okay.
You did good, bud. Okay.
All right, guys, time for the big reveal.
Time for the big peel. So
The big
what I think we should do,
Peel
and I think we
reveal.
were really smart about this because the big heavy overspray goes on this second piece of tape. So if you want to gather behind me, see what I mean? So it's not on that lower piece of tape. There you go, Bug. Now I taped it going, so go with the other way and it should pull all the tape off. There you go. Now that should take it all off because I taped the other way. There you go.
Gotcha, babe.
See what I mean? Instead of peeling one piece, one piece, one piece.
Yes.
There you go.
You.
Just like that.
Look at that.
That's awesome. Unfortunately, I mean, we can see a little waviness where the tape line was, but it's really hard to get it perfect on that line.
Right, we're not
It looks awesome though.
Bug and Boo.
Yeah.
We're not like.
Pull up. There you go.
That was brilliant thinking ahead about how to tape, babe. You're so
Hold on.
smart.
Thanks, Maggie.
Now, I didn't do that down here. I gotta tell you that
That's all right. That's all right.
Why didn't you
Boy, you
tell
guys, this turned out really good.
Why didn't you tell me to do that on my tape?
You know,
Why didn't you teach me?
look at it worked. Look at you just pulled your whole thing off.
I did.
I mean, you just got to go the opposite direction that you put it on, right?
Right.
So the underlapping stuff pulls the overlapping stuff. That's it. That.
Look at the inside, guys. So we knew it was going to spray in the seams. So
We taped it back a little bit and it gave us a perfect line.
oh, that looks awesome.
That does look awesome.
Man. Plasti
And
dip.
that other part's POR in there.
Oh yeah, for our rust.
But look at that.
Plasti dip.
Fantastic. Here, let me do that so you're not one-handing it. Oops, that was going the other way.
That was me, I'm sure of it. God, that looks great. Let's get some full finished pictures.
Look at that. Right there, but that's the 3M stuff. I don't think we could have done any better than that.
Don't you knock this?
Look at her. Look at that, honey. We done did good, huh?
We done did good.
God, that looks great. Okay, so now we're done to clean your gun, because when you pull it out, it's going to be super goopy, black, just thick stuff everywhere. So get yourself some lacquer thinner, pour it in a jar. This one was like half full. We've already sprayed a lot of it. You just put your gun in the bottom of it and just spray until it's clear.
Great tip, babe.
And that's it.
Perfect. And now look at you, you're a mess. Your hands are...
I'm a mess. But look at the Jeep.
But look at the Jeep. So that does it for us today, guys. It was a success. So please leave some comments below. Like this video, subscribe, and we'll see you next time on another day of It's a Bug's Life.
Becky.